Hey guys, welcome back. Happy Friday and all that. So we're back on Grandpa, still on Grandpa, I'm not sure. We're gonna work on getting the cab off, the frame stripped down. We're gonna cut off all the crap we don't think we're gonna use. Probably some stuff we would have used and have to weld it back, but we're gonna learn. And then we're gonna try that Amazon special sandblaster get up, and we'll see how that works too. That's the lofty dreams. In reality, we'll see what happens. So we're going to yank 4 cab bolts out that we know where are, and we're gonna let the frame down on the ground and go from there. Sound good?
Sounds good.
Let's work.
Within all our intermission, we did get it up on jack stands. So we're that far.
Yeah.
So we're gonna pause for a second. We're gonna get the bolts out. There's nothing to see there. We'll either break them or we'll get them off, one of the two.
Hey, thus far on this truck, for as old as it is, everything has just come loose.
Nothing's broke. Yeah.
Nothing's broke yet. Well, I mean, I did cut some stuff because I was tired of dealing with it. But that was a me thing, not an it thing.
Yeah. All right, let's get the bolts out.
All right, guys. We managed to get all the bolts out without breaking any. So I'm going to jump on my jack. Matt's back there on his jack, and we're going to try and set this frame on the floor. And hopefully nothing falls over. All right, you ready?
Yep.
Let her go.
I don't like that.
Don't like what? Hey, I found something still connected.
What's still connected?
Brake lines.
Oh.
Hang on.
So we got a cutter for that.
Yeah, that's disconnected.
Yeah. Where?
Right.
Watch your leg.
I look like I'm squatting over a pork chop.
This cable too.
Yeah, it goes to the rear for tail lights and stuff. Don't need those.
Yeah, I'll be rewiring all of our new ones.
Uh-huh. Building fog lights. Okay. I'm as low as I can go.
I'm getting there. But there we go, guys. The frame is on the ground and the body is not.
Yes.
And there you go, guys. The frame is out. Woo! Next, we're gonna start working on randomly cutting things off. Maybe not randomly, but
We're going to shorten the frame.
we're gonna shorten the frame, cut all the extra stuff off, and pressure wash it. So.
How did you even take that out?
Take it out?
Yes.
Great skill and manual dexterity.
No. Dad, how did you really take it out?
Great skill and manual dexterity.
All right, guys. We got it out here. Got the compressor running. Got the plasma cutter out. We're going to start cutting stuff off. So here we go.
All right, guys, here we are back with Grandpa. So, as you saw, we completely tore apart, well, what's left of him, completely tore apart that parts truck, and we got it out of here. He went to the salvage yard, actually a few pieces someone bought, but got it out of here. And what we've got left with is Grandpa's frame, the parts truck frame, and the part truck bed. The thought, we're gonna cut the pan out of the bed, and that will be kind of our pan or our flatbed. It's free metal.
Yeah, we're gonna use it to help make the flatbed.
Yeah. And then we just gotta decide which frame we want. So they both got their pros and cons. I mean, obviously this is the one that came out from underneath it, but it's rustier and weaker. The new one we'd have to retrofit, but it is a lot beefier, and it actually is shorter. That's one thing that we noticed. Wheel well to wheel well is actually about, what was it?
10 inches.
Oh, was it 10 inches?
Yeah, because we was gonna set the wheels on this one at 131.
31, yeah.
And from bump stop to bump stop, this one's 121.
Okay, yeah, sounds about right. So it's shorter, so that'll benefit us, especially with what we were trying to do without having to completely destroy the frame. But it's just gonna take time. It's just something that we're working on. We've had several other projects going on within the middle of this. Obviously, we had the parts truck that we took down. Within the middle of recording quite literally all of this, we actually did Uriah's 4.7. So if you haven't seen it, definitely go check that one out.
Did we do Casey's headlights too?
We could have done the headlights within the mix of all this. We could have done that. We put the headlights into Beasts, so there's another one to go check out.
Yeah, but now we actually have parts to rebuild the 205 transfer case, which that should be getting started in the next week or so. But on top, and then we're gonna send the transmission out. We got a unique opportunity for that. We got to get torn into the motor because we're gonna, the motor that come out of the parts truck was a 4-bolt main. So any of you that know anything about small blocks, that's the one you want. So we're gonna end up probably doing just a budget garage rebuild on that. But more excitingly, coming up here real quick, we're gonna shift pace and take on a new adventure for the channel. We're gonna tile your tiny house bathroom.
Yes.
And I'm going to, I have a sunken living room in my front room, or in my house. Yeah, no wonder, or no duh, it's in the front room. But I'm gonna raise it up and make my floor all the same height. Put in all new flooring throughout most of the upstairs. Do some drywall and make a mount for my TV to mount on my fireplace. So, and I'm sure there's a whole bunch of other stuff in there that the wife's gonna want done while I'm doing it.
Of course.
But it's cold in the shop right now and we don't have a heat source yet. So working in here is a little hard. Plus, you need the tiny house done for the mother-in-law. My wife has been asking me for only the past 3 or 4 years to fix the living room. And before everything kicked off, I mentioned March, and well, March is when it's gonna get done. So, we got some stuff that isn't just this, and then hopefully by the time we get all that done, my truck will be back, and we can get out and actually do a wheeling adventure like we're dying to do.
Yes. Oh my God, yes. Yes. So, outside of that, just keep a lookout for all of our upcoming videos. It'll probably be a while before you see another one on Grandpa because we have a lot going on. Plus, we have to actually get down to the nitty gritty, decide which frame we want to use and all that other stuff. But like I said, or like Patrick said, there's a lot more stuff that's a lot more important right now. But we wanted to give you at least this next update and just keep an eye out in future months for more Grandpa.
Yeah. And remember to like, subscribe, and share.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
And we have Facebook. Check us out.
Yeah.
So,
All right.
other than that, thanks for watching.
Yep. See you guys later.
Bye, guys.